Good day, everyone, and welcome to Sir TLE Lat Review. Okay, so announcement lang, we have an early bird promo for the upcoming September 2026 licensure examination for teachers. So instead of the regular rate, which is 400 pesos, magiging 300 pesos if you will enroll now until March 15, 2026. So what are you waiting for? Just message us on Facebook, Sir TLE Lat Review. So inclusion sa ating review is meron tayong exclusive group chats and group page and monthly mock exam, no? So hindi na kayo malulugi at sulit na ang 300 pesos na yan for a 5-month review for the September 2026 licensure examination for teachers. Okay? Okay. So, please subscribe and like the video. Okay, let's continue our discussion. It is a document containing instructions on how to do repair and how to keep it properly working. A. Owner's manual. B. Repair manual. C. Shop manual. Or letter D. Textbook. What is your answer? Okay. So the question is talking to a document and the choices is lahat sila ay isang document. Okay? Pero that document must contain instructions on how to do repair and how to keep it properly working. Okay? So owner's manual is not the answer because the owner's manual is designed for the end user. So, in-explain dito kung ano yung mga basic operation, mga safety precautions, and simple maintenance. Okay? So, hindi ito yung sagot. So, para madali nating intindihin, ang owner's manual is how to use that equipment. Okay? Letter D, textbook. Obvious naman, this is not the answer. Because ang textbook ay yung pinaprovide lang ng textbook ay mga theoretical knowledge, concepts, and learning activities. So wala doon yung mga instructions kung paano magkumpini ng isang equipment. Okay? So we are left with letter B and letter C. Repair manual and shop manual. Okay? So, the answer for this question is letter B, repair manual. Okay? So, sa repair manual kasi, it focuses specifically on troubleshooting and fixing faults. Dito, repair. So, kung gusto mong mag-repair ng mga equipment and if you need instructions, you need a repair manual. Okay? Sa shop manual naman ay hindi ito yung sagot. Dahil a shop manual is a comprehensive technical document used in workplaces. So meron ditong operating procedures, mga preventive maintenance, troubleshooting and repair steps. Although meron siyang mga guide on troubleshooting, the question is looking for a document specifically for repairing, no? If the question is looking for mga operating procedures, a document that contains operating procedures, mga preventive maintenance, then the answer is shop manual. Okay? So the answer for this question is letter B, repair manual. Second question, or let's say the 8th question. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. A. Brush. B. Compressed air. C. Lint-free cloth. Or letter D, vacuum cleaner. What is your answer? Okay. Cleaning tool na hindi makaka-scratch o hindi maka-leave ng mga debris. Okay? Yung ating mga computers ay mayroong mga plastics, no? Mga let's say the outer layer of our computers, no? Hindi natin pwedeng i-brush. Kasi magkokos yan ng mga scratches sa ating mga computers, no? Without encircle natin yung without. Si vacuum cleaner naman is also wrong. So, ang vacuum cleaner is a static electricity and has a strong suction that can damage small components. So, this is not recommendable to use. Okay? Ang vacuum cleaner ay pwede natin gamitin ito pag nag-clean tayo ng mga keyboards. Okay? So, we're stuck with between B and C. Okay? If the question ay merong wipe, it's used to wipe and clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris, the answer will be letter C. But, walang wipe. There's no wipe. Wait, ano to? This is wrong. If walang wipe, our answer here is letter B. Compressed air. Okay? So, a compressed air is effective for blowing dust out of tight spaces like mga vents, no? The question is used to clean different computers without scratching. So, both B and C does not cause scratches sa ating mga computers. But the question itself, meron specific ang ating question, no? Okay? So, if mag-take kayo ng exam, look for the specific answer. If merong wipe, anong sagot? This one, lint-free cloth. Okay? If wala, so the answer is compressed air. Last question. What is the best way to clean an LCD screen? A. Ammonia. B. Clean water. C. Denatured alcohol. Or letter D. Lint-free cloth. What is your answer? Best way to clean an LCD. Ammonia is not the answer. Okay? So, ang ammonia is a colorless gas. It is a colorless gas. So, masakit ito sa ilong. And hindi dapat natin ito ginagamit para maglinis ng LCD screen. Clean water also not. No, baka masira yung mga wires. Okay? Letter C, denatured alcohol. No. So the answer here is letter D. Lint-free cloth. So a lint-free cloth is para siyang wipes, no? Para siyang wipes. So lint-free cloth is the best way to clean an LCD screen. Okay? So hindi siya nagko-cause ng scratches, no? Alangan naman yung gagamitin natin is compressed air. Hindi pwede. So, the answer here will be letter D. Lint-free cloth. So, that ends with our discussion. I hope you've learned a lot. And good luck sa mga March 26, 2026 last lecture examination for teachers takers. Goodbye.